Hi guys, it's Amy with Aim to Plan, and today I'm very excited to record this video to look through the Wordsworth Planner and kind of unbox it. I actually haven't even opened it yet, it's still in the plastic film. So I was contacted by the team at Wordsworth Planner to receive a copy of this planner just for my unbiased review, and so I'm really excited about looking through this and adding it into my planner lineup and kind of seeing where it goes. Now, as you know, I do use as my personal planner this Happy Planner with the All Glam cover from Walmart. And inside is the Vintage Botanicals, which is the monthly layout with just the to-do lists. And so it's a very functional planner for me. And so one of the reasons Wordsworth contacted me was because I have that functional style in terms of my planning. And so again, I'm looking forward to kind of looking through this and seeing what is in here. I don't even know. So let's take a look. I need to cut off this film. I should have done that beforehand, but like literally we're unboxing this together right now. I have not even opened it. Okay, so film is off. So the very first thing is that it's in a very nice box, I think. Yes, it's a little dented. They mailed it in a mailer, and so the box itself is a little bit dented, but I'm assuming the planner itself is looking very nice. This box is really so pretty. It has the silver foiling on it, and it's with the company Wordsworth and Black, and it's the Wordsworth Planner. So it comes with this little sheet that says, "Dear Goal Getter, thank you for purchasing the Wordsworth Planner. We truly want to see you grow and become your best self. The Wordsworth Planner is a holistic personal development system that you can carry with you at all times, combining powerful self-growth science with easy-to-complete prompts that put you on the path to discovering your personal potential. It's not just a planner, it's a coach, a guide, and a tool for living your best life." I'm not going to read the rest, but that sounds awesome just to start off with. That's exactly the type of planning style that I just really enjoy, is being able to create a holistic, more wellness oriented approach. And it's not just about writing down the things that I have on my calendar, but making sure that I focus on various aspects of my life, and having something that helps me stay motivated on that path is awesome. So even before getting into the planner, I just really love that. Okay, so again, I haven't even opened this. Fighting with packaging. So this planner is obviously sealed very tightly in there. They had several options for colors. I believe there was this black and a burgundy or wine color. I'm not quite sure, but I tend to stay classic. So black it was for me. That's what I chose. It comes with this little sleeve that says that it's a non-dated planner that has a monthly and a weekly overview with the horizontal layout. And I'm pretty sure that they do have other layouts, but I was sent the horizontal layout. So that is there. Now, just to start off with, the cover is really nice. It's cardstock, but it has kind of a faux leather finish to it, and it does have at the very back, I can see a band to hold your planner closed, and it does have a pin loop right here, which is awesome. It also has, wow, that's amazing, 3 different colored bookmarks, which is awesome. It's nice to know at a glance which one goes just by looking at the color. So that's awesome, right? So we'll leave that in there for the time being. Okay, so let's start at the very beginning. At the very front, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little bit of embossing that says Wordsworth Planner. It's very, very subtle, so I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is on there. So as soon as you open it up, you have, again, Wordsworth Planner right here. And then you have a page in case you lose your planner. Please return it to this person. And very cute, it says, as a reward. And I guess you could put the reward that you would give to the person who returns your planner. Hey, that's important. Maybe that will incentivize them, motivate them to bring it back to you. So here, again, I'm not going to read all this to you, but it tells you some different ways that you could use the planner. So Right here it says, for example, how to use your Wordsworth Planner. You can brainstorm, choose your major goals, break your goals down, keep your goals in mind. It gives you a section to do reflection. I'm assuming, I haven't even flipped through it. And some of the benefits are listed here. Improve your time management, increase productivity, reflection, stay positive, get focused and hit your goals, better relationships, roadmap to personal growth, and strengthen your self-discipline. That again is awesome. The types of things that I really truly appreciate in a planner, not just again the calendar and tasks part of it, but having something that's a little bit more holistic. So that's awesome. It does come with 4 years at a glance. Some of this is already outdated. So this right here, for example, is outdated. And then of course we have 2019 and 2020 still here. Oh, and then the next page is travel planning. That's really cool. And so this is just a place for you to jot down, I'm assuming, some of the different places that you're traveling, not necessarily travel planning per se, but like a travel log of different locations that you've been. So you have a place for date, the destination or itinerary, and then some notes. I'm looking forward to filling that out. That's really cool. There are 2 quotes here. So the first one, people do not decide to become extraordinary. They decide to accomplish extraordinary things, from Edmund Hillary. And then a quote from Tolkien that says, not all those who wander are lost. That's an excellent quote for this page. Right after that is a spread with time zones. That's actually pretty cool. Sometimes you need to know that. Right. Then flipping the page, it might look blank, but it's actually dot grid, like really spaced out grid dots. So that's a dot grids page. Then we have a page here with the goals overview. That's cool, right? Be stubborn about your goals and flexible about your methods. So in this section, very first thing that you have is a goals mind map. Very cool. You could just kind of map it out. I don't know that I would do this starting right now, although you can do it anytime, honestly, to plan out your goals. But I tend to do goal setting at particular points, usually every quarter. And so that's there. But that's really cool. There's only one page of that. So the next page is vision board inspiration. I'm assuming you can glue in some stuff here. I don't think that, given the way that it's bound, that you would be able to glue in a ton of stuff because it would get very thick over time. But you certainly can, for this page, include some vision board inspiration. Then here are the actual goals sections. This is cool. All right, so this very first section is personal, and you have both. This whole entire spread is for personal. It says, what's your goal, the target date for your goal, purpose, and action. And you have 8 spots for that. Oh, then the next one, same kind of setup, except here it's for family, friends, and relationships. And again, 8 boxes for that. Then professional. All right, and that's it. So there are 3 basic categories: personal, relationships, and professional. That's actually really cool. I think those are very important. Again, a dot grid page to kind of finish off that section. And then we have the monthly section. When you prioritize, all the important stuff gets done. Very important, and actually very true. Okay, so then the very first thing after the monthly is going to be monthly goals. And again, it breaks it down into the 3 sections: personal, relationships, and professional. And it has the same categories here: goal, purpose, and action that was in the last section, the goals section, except here they don't have target dates. It's just kind of more of a, now that you've set your goals, bring it here and kind of break it down even further. All right, and then you have a large note section. They only have spaces for 3 goals, which I think makes sense. You don't necessarily need to work on all 8 if you even have 8 goals for all 3 sections for the year. But certainly every month you're not going to be able to do a ton for each section. So having 3 is a good number, I think. All right, so those are there. Oh, and then it jumps right into your monthly layout. So it is Sunday through Saturday, with the note section on the left side. Be a craftsman in speech, that thou mayest be strong, for the strength of one is the tongue, and speech is mightier than all fighting. That's an interesting quote. Not sure if it's with a monthly, but it's nice to have that there. All right, then there's a small note section here too. So there are 2 note sections that you have in this monthly layout. All right, and then I'm assuming for that month, you also have a monthly reflection, which is, it's dotted lines. Again, I don't know if you can see that, but it's not dot grid, it's dotted lines. And then you have here a review of last month, your top 5 accomplishments for the last month, what you wanted to get done but didn't, and why, what have I learned this month, and then planning for next month. What would make next month great, and how can I achieve this? All right, again, this is awesome. This is the type of stuff that I love to have in planners. And having this is pretty much, so far at least, very much a goal-oriented goal planner, and trying to keep track of your goals. I really love that. Okay, so then it repeats, just trying to keep, yes. So then it repeats, so that was the first month, and then you have month 2, which I'm assuming has the spread. All of this remains the same, so that's 2 months, 3, 4, that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so there is a full 12 months in there, all right? So that's awesome. Now, on this page, the others have been dot grid. This one, again, is dotted lines. So not dot grid, dotted lines. All right, so that was the monthly. And so far, we've made it through about a third of the planner. So this section is the weekly overview section. Don't call it a dream, call it a plan. And this is where the bookmarks were, which I'll just tuck to the side for right now. And here it is, again, the horizontal layout. So what they have here is at the very top, this week's top focus and notes, and then I'm grateful for and reflection running across the top. And I'm assuming that's the same. Yes, it is the same across every week. Then what you have is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday split and shares a section. Now for Monday through Friday, what you have is a section that's just a blank lined section, and then on the right, it's going to be a to-do list. Now, one of the things that you see with this to-do list is that the to-do list is broken down into having 4 items that are priority and then 4 items that are secondary. And one of the, I think, most important things that you can be able to kind of keep yourself on track doing is limiting the number of to-do items that you have every day. So I think this is really good and actually really great to have a priority section and then a secondary section. And again, I haven't used this planner, but I'm thinking that would work really well for me. I tend to I create a very large to-do list, and so I tend to overwrite or shoot how many things I can do within one day. So this will force me to limit myself, right? So that's that. Now, I'm assuming this whole section is pretty much just weekly overview, which is all the same. So just kind of gauging it, it does look like a full year, about 50 pages, 52 pages. So that is there, and that's really awesome. Again, it's undated, so you can use it anytime. And one of the things that I think will be beneficial for me is using this as I need to and not worrying so much about like skipping pages. So just using it for the week that I need it, and then if I go a month or 2 months even without using it, then that's totally fine. And so that is there, and that's, I think, awesome. Okay, so that's the weekly overview section. And so that's there. Now, immediately following the last page of the weekly overview is, again, dot grid. It's returning to the same spacing and a dot grid style that they had on a couple of the other back sections. And so that's there, and there are several pages of that. Again, eyeballing it, probably 20, not quite sure. And then following that section, again, this is actually, again, looks like, actually not 20, maybe 10, but it's completely blank. So that's, I think, very helpful to have that. I really love this planner. That's really awesome. Okay, so then there's a back pocket, and this will be the last part of the walkthrough. And within the back pocket are some stickers, which are super cute. This one, these are just little icons, but it says, I am grateful, put your heart into it. Relationship goal, personal goal, professional goal. Love this. Affirmation, reflection, let's do this. Deadline, meeting, reminder, important, make it happen. Noted, today, study, appointment, big day, birthday, night out, shopping, workout, healthy eating, meditation, vacation, and finance. That is super cute. All right. It's not my color scheme. Not really big into fall colors, which this looks like to me, but that's super cute and very functional. So this is awesome. I have no idea how I'm going to use this right now, but I'm definitely going to incorporate it somehow into my planner lineup. I just wanted to record this video before I even like unbox it because I just wanted to share my excitement with you on this new planner. I really do like it. This is really nice. The cover is really awesome. The paper seems very thick. And so I'm excited to jump into this. It won't be in July since I already have my layout set up. So it might be in August when I start work. It might be a good time to update once again, not even a month in, what my planner lineup looks like. So we will see. But this is the planner. Do you love it? All right, give me a comment below. Is there something else you want to see in here? I'll be more than happy to answer your questions about it if I skip something that you really wanted to know about. Leave me a comment so I'll know. Subscribe, like, comment, and have a great day. Bye.